is Jamie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox another April edition box, and that is of Glamego, and this is how the box looks like. Once you open it up, you get the real box, and that by far is the best box I've gotten from Glamego. Just look at this. It really makes me crave for this ice cream right here, and I haven't seen this ice cream like anywhere. Have you guys seen this ice cream? Comment down below. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up and you get a box looking like this. This is how the inside of the box looks like. Okay, so the first thing that you see is this card right here. It's a beautiful card, I must say. It has a summer skincare products with SPF and sun protection written over it. You get about 5 products in this month's box, and all the products there with their prices have been written. So let's just see what all products we got, and I'll start with the first one, that is My Island Kiss, and that's this. It says it's 100% natural, organic, it's 100% pure, it is free from cruelty, not tested on animals, it is recyclable. It costs about 399 rupees only. But on the sheet it's written as 499. I don't know why, but in this it's written as 399. The lip balm looks something like this, and maybe, I don't know why, but it is quite hot. Maybe because it just arrived and I'm reviewing it, and our weather is so freaking hot outside. Anyways, moving on. This is the lip balm, and you get about, how much? It says it's a bunny pink tint. Yeah, you get about 14 grams in it. Since it says it's tinted, I'm gonna try it on my hands first and see if it's tinted. As you can see, I'm showing it to you directly. Okay guys, it's very sheer, so I'm not gonna call it as tinted. It is almost like Vaseline. Maybe on the fair skin tones it might look like a tinted lip balm, but on my whitish skin tone it's looking just like a regular lip balm. The smell is pretty delicious, I must say. It really feels like some candy, cotton candy. So yeah, that's that. So the second item that you get is this compact, and they did ask me if I am fair tone or medium or dark toned, and according to that they send you your compact shade. This is the box, and okay, this is how the box, this is how the compact looks like, and a bit disappointing because this compact does look a bit old or used. I don't know why, but it has all these scratches. So yeah, it doesn't look super new to me, but it has all the packagings in it and everything. Maybe it's just a manufacturing defect or the packaging defect, I don't know, but yeah, you'll see in the close-up that it is looking a bit scratchy. It has this film in it first, so you remove that and then you get the compact. Okay, it is quite opaque as well. The smell looks pretty good, and let's see if it blends on your skin well. Yeah, it looks pretty okay. It has SPF 18 for sun protection against darkening. It has vitamin E for anti-aging and nourishment. It is oil free, ultra fine and lightweight. It is a super smooth formula, dermatology tested, hypoallergenic, non-cosmetogenic, and suitable for everyday use. That's what they say in the packaging. So the third product that you get in your box is this, and this is a Vedic line gold facial. It gives a luster and glow to your skin. They also have mentioned the procedure of how you're supposed to do the facial, because you get a lot of sachets in it. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so you get about 6 sachets in it, and they all have different ingredients in it. Okay, so the first step that goes out is cleanser. Then for your second step you are supposed to use a scrub, and that is your second step, and you just have to scrub your face. That's just a usual procedure that we follow through for our skin routine. That's all you have to do with the facial as well. And then you have a cream. I don't know why they're applying a cream first. Okay, maybe the facial thing requires cream first, and then you get a massage gel for your fourth step. Then you get a gold pack. Then you get a face pack on your fifth step, and then the last, it is a moisturizing serum in your last step. So it is a full-on facial kit for you, and it's just one time use, I'm guessing, because you can't use it a lot of times, because it does, I don't feel like it's a lot of product in there, but yeah, for just your one use you can use all the products. They have all the details on sides of the box as well, so yeah, it is also not tested on animals, so yeah, that's a win-win because we love our animals, right? And this facial kit is for rupees 350. The fourth item that you get is this from this clay facial mask and clarifying mask, and it is of sea clay. It contains sea clay in it, and it is also not tested on animals. That's good. And that's the consistency of the mask, and yeah, you just have to apply it over your face and neck. Avoid contacting with eyes, then let dry and rinse with warm water. Use 2 times a week or as often as needed. So it's a very good mask, I believe. So the last product is this product, and this is packed pretty nicely, and still it looks like it leaked somewhere, some way. It's not broken, so yeah, it is, because it is of plastic, it's not broken. The lid was not properly closed, so that is the reason. It's a wild turmeric anti-tan treatment, and my sister is speaking over there and she's saying yes, I'll definitely be giving this to her. So yeah, I might just give it to her. Get a lot of it in this. I'm pretty happy about that. You get about 50 grams. I'm gonna have to try every product out. I can't try it on my face right now. I hope you guys understand, but I will try it out on my Instagram, and I'll share it on my Facebook as well, so that you, if you are not on Instagram, you can see it on my Facebook. Make sure that you are following my Instagram as well as my Facebook, and even on Twitter, because I might just share it over there as well. So yeah, that's that, and that concludes the overall box. You can get this box at about just 299 rupees a month if you get for an overall year subscription. So you'll just have to pay 299 a month and you'll get this amazing box. This month's box has 5 products in it, and I've showed you all of them. They are pretty good for your skin, and as well as you get 2 makeup products as well. Yeah, so you get 3 skin products in this box and 2 makeup products. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you like these unboxing videos as well from time to time. I don't do it too often, but I do try to, you know, spice up the channel by adding a lot of different things. So I hope you like it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.